How to unlock insane focus, not just energy. Have you ever felt like you have energy, but you just can't focus? You start something with excitement, and minutes later you're scrolling, drifting, distracted. It's not that you're lazy. It's not that you don't want success. It's that your mind is scattered. But here's the truth. Energy is not your problem. Focus is. And today I'll show you how to unlock insane focus, the kind that gets things done. Step 1, get clear on your why. Every focused mind starts with a purpose. Ask yourself, why do I need this focus? What am I building? Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or just getting started, your why is your mental compass. Without it, you're just moving, not progressing. Step 2, cut the noise. Focus thrives in silence. Not silence in sound, but silence in distraction. Turn off the endless notifications. Mute the tabs. Even 5 minutes of deep, intentional focus beats 1 hour of scattered energy. Train your brain like a muscle. Less noise, more clarity. Step 3, master the power of micro sprints. Don't wait for motivation. Use momentum. Try this. Focus for just 25 minutes on one task. No multitasking, no checking your phone. Then take a 5-minute break. This is the Pomodoro technique, and it's used by some of the world's top performers. Step 4, create a focus system, not just a routine. Systems beat willpower every time. Design your day with focus rituals. Morning, 1 goal, no phone. Midday, 1 deep work session. Evening, review and reset. When your environment is set up for focus, your mind follows. Step 5, protect your mental energy. Focus isn't just mental, it's emotional. That means get enough sleep. Stop feeding your brain junk content. Surround yourself with calm, not chaos. Focus isn't something you force, it's something you prepare for. Final thought. You don't need more caffeine. You don't need louder music. You don't even need more hours in your day. What you need is focus. And the good news? It's not a gift. It's a skill. And starting today, you're building it. If this message helped shift your mindset, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. Because when you master your focus, you can master anything.